Margie. I am a stay-at-home mom of two beautiful girls. They are washing their hands right now, but we have another activity for them. I got this from Walmart as well. I got this from Walmart, and it is the soft dough, and it is the princess, ponies, and unicorns. They love ponies and unicorns. Okay, switch it over. Yep, just like that. And this is $5. You are done washing your hands?
Wash your hands.
Okay. So here are the molds and a comb. Oh, and they have like some hair pieces in there as well. And here are the, we had this before, we had like the puppy one. And so it comes, this one is just white.
Hey mommy, I want this one.
This one is yellow and green.
Yellow and green.
And this one is pink and blue. Why is it wet? Oh, because your hands is wet. And so this is all of the stuff it comes with. And here's like some, I don't know if they're stickers or just like pop outs that you can put on the unicorn. Yeah, and it got 2 hair pieces as well. Look. And here's some molds that they can put on the ponies or the unicorn. And here are some more molds as well. And so this opens up and you put the soft dough inside and press it, and then it mold into a unicorn. Which one you want, Mila?
I like this one.
Okay.
I'll twist it.
You just gotta pop it off, actually. See that? Oh, yeah, you keep pushing the baby table. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, how do you want this, Mila?
Hey, I want this one.
You want that one?
That one.
You want this one, Mila?
This one. This one.
Okay. So we're gonna put our, I'm gonna bring y'all closer so y'all can kind of see what we are doing.
Stuck.
Okay, I'll do it for you. Oh, not the whole thing, Mila. Look at Mila doing it. Okay, so since we're gonna have it like that, let's just close it and mold it like this. And then you can take off the excess. Put it in there, take off that, put it in there.
Yeah!
And you just keep squeezing it until it molds. And then you just take that all off.
Is it unicorn?
And then Layla, let's do yours.
Hey, they can't see my face.
Yeah, they're just looking at you do it. And then we can let them see your face. Open?
Mommy, can I close it?
Is that how you want it? You want it blue? What color do you want? Because you know you can take off whatever color you want. What color do you want it?
I want it to be like this thing.
White? You want it to be white?
No, no, no. I want every color.
You want every color?
I just saw one.
Okay, let's show them Mila so far.
I think just have pink.
So this one is me. Oop, I messed up the. You gotta put this down so that they can see.
Okay.
This is Mila's right here. It's two-toned. How cool.
When it was this, you're going to pink.
And then you can put stuff on it. Let me help you because you did. You want it two-toned as well?
Hmm?
Okay.
What you say?
You want it to be 2 different colors? Or 3 different colors because you're going to have purple, pink, and blue. Okay, so we're going to squeeze it. Squeeze.
Hey guys.
And we're going to take all of that off. I'm going to squeeze some more. I'll get the rest of it off for you.
And don't forget the upside down. Hey Mom, can I have this?
Yeah, I was just seeing if sister wanted some. Okay. And here is a layer.
My unicorn.
Here's the latest unicorn. Take some of this off.
Where's the ding ding?
Here she goes. So pretty. And now you can put whatever you want. If you want to make some bows, you can. We got white over here as well.
Your corn is sticky.
Sticky.
Mommy,
Yes.
I wanted to get
White one.
this. I wanted to get this together, and I want to get everything. I can call my unicorn.
Okay, so where do you want this? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Or on this side? Which side?
This one.
Okay.
Okay, unicorn sweet. Go to my unicorn.
That is in.
Can I get a page? Can you hit?
You want to see it too.
Hey, here you go. Thanks. Oh, I got some necklace. Hey, I didn't want a purple necklace.
That's the one you picked out. Let's see what Mila's doing. Mila, where's your unicorn? Show them your unicorn.
Want this one. Wow, a unicorn.
Put it down so they can see. Wow. Do you want to add this to the tail?
The hair. That was really beautiful. Even I like this one. Look at tail.
Yeah, do you like it?
Hey, watch you walk. Watch
Yeah.
you walk in a unicorn.
So this one says age 3+. So Mila is 3, Nalea is 4. But this is nice. I definitely recommend this. It's really nice. Oh, they have it up here. You can bend it like this and put it up here like that. Is that cool?
Mhm.
You like it?
Mhm. Oopsies.
You want to make one like that?
Mhm. Like a smile.
You want white?
No, I want this.
You want that color?
Mhm.
Do you want to switch this one or you want to make a new one?
I want to make a new one.
So you want all of this in there? Like this?
Twinkle, twinkle. Can I take out the tail?
Yeah.
And this. There we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. You're right. Do 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 do. It's so fun to pass a bit. Do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Oh, so cute. Look at these little molds. They're so cute.
Can you put the tail on here?
Mila is loving hers.
Help.
Okay, I got it. Look at this one. So pretty.
Can you cord
What, this one?
this one?
This one's sisters.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
You can have this one. Here you go.
I can make you another one, Mila.
I give her this one. Oopsies, the tail fell off.
Oh, let me see.
It did the... Look, it's
What are you looking
out.
The tail fell off for you.
My... Oh, there it is. Mommy, can you put these on?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mommy, can I have the cone?
Which one do you want me to put on?
These.
Okay.
No. Oh. That one. I get it. Cool.
What's wrong, Mila?
My tail. What? What?
Stop, Mila.
Okay. Here comes the cone.
What tail? Let me see. Which one you want the tail on? What do you want the tail on, Mila? Your tail came off, Aaliyah. What tail? This one or this one?
It's dead.
Who do you want to have the tail?
Cow.
This one? You just stick it in there if you want, and just move the
Mama.
the dough around.
Mama.
Okay.
Can you for Mama?
Hmm.
Where's Mama?
Oh.
Mama. Can you yes,
You gotta flip it upside down. The tail. The tail upside down.
Even the crown is off. Mama, can you?
But we're gonna have to say bye to the camera though. Okay.
Bye.
1 second. Let's get this together and then I can stay over here. Very nice. Okay.
And
Hold this. Hold your unicorn.
that's a crown.
Okay. Show the camera your unicorns. Show your unicorn, Mila. Show the camera. And then say bye.
Bye.
And say we'll see you in our next video.
And we see you in our next video. And please subscribe to our channel.
And like the video.
And like the video. Bye.
Bye.
Look at your cross